Hey guys, it's Paul, Happy Meat Business. I'm going to show you quickly how to fix this Twitter icon not showing in YouTube. So in your YouTube header, if one of your links is Twitter but it's showing a globe and not an actual Twitter icon, let's see if there's any more out here. That person doesn't have any links. Here's one, I don't know if that's the same one. Twitter, just says Twitter and the globe. Scotty we've been to. I think you're getting a point. If it's up here and it just says a globe, all you've got to do, it's a really simple fix. So you see that mine is a Twitter icon, right? So you go to edit links. Now when you put your Twitter icon, you're probably like me, you go to your Twitter page, you grab your URL and then you go over to Twitter and paste it in, and you've done it, right? And when you go to the header, it's gone to be in a globe. Right, all you've got to do, really simple, is where it says Twitter HTTPS, take the S out. Just make it HTTP, and that fixes your icon. So simple as that. Happy Meat Business tips. Come on over. That we have got a training course, a free training course on YouTube, where if you enroll, we're going to be building little tips like that. We've got a full training section on how to create your own YouTube account and optimize it, make money off it, get more views, stuff like that. You've got my YouTube earnings in there as well, and some extra courses. This course will continue to grow, will continue to build as students tell us what they need. But hopefully that was just a quick tip, because I see it all the time. I see so many people where that icon isn't showing up properly. So I hope that helps. I'll see you all soon. Have a great day. Cheers.